Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing Nilight rock lights on a 21 Can-Am Commander.
We picked these ones up off Amazon, and we got this wire loom, and we recommend you put your wires in this, and we got it from Harbor Freight.
Alright, let's get started. To start out with, we're going to want to remove the seats, and then we're going to want to gain access to the center panel. For the switch for the rock lights, we're probably going to go ahead and use this location. We want to keep our lights down at easy access. So once you have your seat bottoms out, there are going to be 4 T30 Torx bits to remove. You're also going to want to disconnect the negative cable on your battery before you start your wiring. Once you have the top bezel off, you're going to have 3 of these push clips to remove. So there's one back here, there's one in the front there, and there's another one right there. So right up underneath your dash is your bus bar. So you have on the far left, that's accessory, that's constant power, and that is ground. So you're going to want to run a 16 gauge wire to your accessory, red, and then a 16 gauge black wire to your ground. So from there, we're going to run them, follow that wire loom, and we're going to end up bundling everything up in the center here, but you'll run those 2 wires back to your switch. There is a rubber boot right back there. That is where we brought the 2 wires in for the front rock lights. Okay, so we've ran a power cable to the accessory on the bus bar. And then we've also ran a black wire from the ground. So we're going to run this over here. So you're going to want to splice in 2 wires. So the ground coming from your bus bar, the ground going to the control box. We zip tie the control box to the side here just to keep it hidden. So then right here, your jumped cables is your power in from your bus bar. And then the other one is going to be your power to the control box. On the rear lights, we're going to be mounting them about here. So what we're doing is coming up and we're going through the back. Basically, we come out through right here, run it down along the back of the seat behind this rubber. So from there down to the rubber. So you're coming out down here. So then run it behind the back of the seat. Run it behind the back of the seat. Push it behind the rubber, and then to the center. From the center, you'll run it up. And we're probably going to bundle all of our excess wire and connect them right here. For placement on the rear, we went right at the brake and the fender for the bed. And then in the front, we went right towards the nose, right at the crease of your fender. There's a crease right here, and that's where we went for in the front. Alright, so now that you have all of your power, ground, all hooked up, connect your rock lights to the control module. Go ahead and bundle them up as best you can. There's a lot of excess, so what we did is we bundled them up and we're stuffing them right underneath here where there's a lot of empty space, so there's plenty of room for extra wire.